Welcome back, folks. Hope you enjoyed this latest compilation. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to help the channel grow. Thanks for watching and have a great day.
Get the fuck going! Get the fuck back there! Fuck you! Get the fuck back there! Fucking moron! What is she doing? Goddamn crazy ass Cleveland drivers.
Illegal pass on double yellow, causing me to nearly be hit.
Oh, get out the way, get out the way, get out the way.
Guy zips around truck and eats it. He ends up okay with just some scratches. Be careful on those things, people. Ah! Ah! Just another idiot, not looking before changing lanes.
The silver SUV had been acting a little weird, driving further right in the lane than normal and not keeping with traffic, so I was keeping an eye on them. Then, they all of a sudden park and a passenger hops out right in front of a perfectly good gas station parking lot. I don't know why they parked and got out. All I know is it didn't justify doing it at the start of a turn lane instead of in the parking lot and out of the way.
Have to get ahead, even if it means death. A fast speeder passes on the right and then makes a tight merge.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow. And don't forget to leave a comment to let us know how we're doing. We welcome your feedback. Have a great day.